thing in here with the pups. She did good, y'all. She had 6. 5 males and 1 female. I believe that's the female she over there looking on the lilac one. It's not that one, that one. No, it's that one. The big one right there. I'm gonna tell you that's the female. And all the rest of males. That was the first one born. She the biggest one. She the bigger the little. And that's probably gonna be my keeper. I'm trying to think. Everything is, you know, all the males available. Hit me up. Hit me up on the DM on Instagram, SPK_Bullish. Follow me on Instagram, DM me, so you know it's me. Matter of fact, I'm gonna link it down in the description. UKC. Both pairs UKC registered. The daddy ABKC registered. I'm waiting on her ABKC paperwork to see if I can get the pups dual registered. But y'all know how ABKC is with paperwork. And I did the rush order. Pay extra and all. And it been like 2 weeks still I ain't get it. So, and then I was rush order the papers. Hopefully they come here. So, I mean, but hey, they gonna be dual registered now or later. Or you can register them yourself with the UKC paperwork. Clean classic bulls right here, man. Mama had no dats at all. Daddy got like 2-time dats on the bottom, way in the back. Like, I bred away from the dats. I don't really like dats. She's solid Razor's Edge line. Old school Razor's Edge, no dats at all. No Gotti line dogs in her pedigree at all, period. All Razor's Edge dogs. And Huey, you can look back on my page, see a lot of videos of Huey. He the size of his pups. So they're gonna be nice size. They already big. They're gonna be way bigger than her. She inbred, so she stayed small, but she throw thick. All these thick, they're gonna be thick. Already see them domes. Look at them heads, man. He got a big head. He was clean, classic. That's what these gonna be, clean classics. So tap in if you want your clean, classic American bully. That's healthy, that's gonna live a long time. You want something that's gonna die and waste your money, go with them other people. These dogs here healthy. And I keep it simple, man. Just a nice pool. I throw the heating pad in there. She knocked it out, but they got a heating pad. Hot side, cold side. Keep it simple. She cleaning up everything that's in here. And then after when they start running around, throw you some hay in there. I mean, some wood chips or some bedding pellets from like Tractor Supply. I use both of them, it depends. This is not the smallest boy. This is the smallest boy. Huey clone, all solid, blue male.